A very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online session. Now first you tell me what is your class name. Tell me what is your class name, then I am writing on the board. What is your class name? Yes, your class name you studying in LKG class. Write down LKG. And which subject? Which subject is going on? Subject is EVS. Which subject is going on? EVS subject is going on. Now we will start revision. So revise all the topics. So now the turn of outdoor games. Okay, in your revision session, the turn of outdoor games. You know about outdoor games? Yes, those games who are played outside your home, that is called outdoor game. So those games are, tell me the names of the game of outdoor, those play outdoor, outside the home. Yes, cricket, hockey, basketball, kite flying, football, and seesaw is also a outdoor game. So now once again we will write the names of outdoor games. Did you remember all the games? Okay. So start from heading. First write down the heading of the topic. What is your heading? Look at the board and write down heading is, this is your 4 lines. Now the heading is outdoor game, like OUTDOO, outdoor, and 2 finger distance, and write down games. Write down the heading outdoor games. Number 1 is make a bat and a ball. So the name of the game is, what is the name of the game? Bat and ball. It's cricket. So write down the names of cricket. CRICKE, cricket. It's the cricket game. Once again you write down the spelling. The spelling of cricket is CRICKE, cricket game. It is the picture of the game and it is the spelling of the game. So cricket is the outdoor game. CRICKET, cricket, bat and ball. Then number 2. After one line, write down number 2 and write down the spelling of the game. First you make a picture, then write down the spelling is and hockey stick and ball. So the name of the game is hockey. Now write down the spelling of hockey. What is the spelling of hockey? H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. Once again, the spelling of hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. It is a hockey game. Okay, write number 1, write number 2. After number 2, write down number 3. What is the number 3? Number 3 is on number 3. First you make the picture of the game, then write down the name. So make here make a picture of football. Okay, so this is a picture of football game. Now what is the spelling of football? F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football game. This is a football game. Now once again write down the spelling of football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. Football is also a outdoor games. So look at the board. Cricket, hockey and football. Write down fast all the names. Then write down number 4. Written all the 3 names. Now write down number 4. What is on number 4? Look at the board. On number 4. Let us revision time. So please revise all the names and all the pictures. Once again, we recognize all the pictures and identify the names with their picture, with their drawing. So first you draw the image and then write down the name. Then number 4. So on number 4, make here basket and make a ball. So this is a which game? Basketball. Now here write down the spelling of basketball. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. B-A-L-L, ball, basketball. Then once again, B-A-S-K-E-T, B-A-L-L. You know the image of the game is basketball. You know this is a football. You know this is a hockey, and you know about this is a cricket. So you recognize the names of the game with their picture. This is cricket, hockey, football and basketball. So recognition done, all the names of the game. Now please write down in your EVS notebook pictures and spellings of the game. Write fast number 4, 1 to 4, then write 5 and 6. First write 1 to 4, then write 5, 6. So do fast. Do fast. Then I am the erase the board, then write down the 5, 6. Okay, when the time you writing, you say the name, read the spelling and say the name. Cricket, hockey, football and basketball. How to write all the names? You just read the spelling like C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. This is a cricket game. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. This is a cricket game. Then hockey like H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. This is a hockey game. Once again, H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. This is a hockey game. Then football, F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Once again, you read the spelling F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. This is a football game. Then basketball, B-A-S-K-E-T-B-A-L-L. Basketball. This is a basketball. So read the spelling also and write the name. Okay, so you write all the names all the outdoor games. After number 4, write down number 5 and 6. Note down the numbers 5 and 6. So here write number 5. On number 5, make a picture of kite. And the name of the game is kite flying. So after picture you write down the spelling of the game is K-I-T-E, kite. Then write flying, F-L-Y plus I-N-G, kite flying. Kite flying is also a outdoor game. Once again you write down the spelling of kite flying, K-I-T-E F-L-Y-I-N-G, kite flying. So 2 times write down the spelling and 1 time draw the picture. Picture of kite, then write down the name. Too fast, write number 5. After number 5, write number 6. Okay, so after number 5, write down number 6. And this is the last. This is your 4 lines. On number 6, make the picture of seesaw game. Seesaw is also a outdoor game. So write down the spelling of seesaw. Right here, S-E-E, slipping line, S-A-W. Seesaw is also a outdoor game. First to make the picture, then write down the name. And write 2 times. Kite flying and seesaw. Write fast. When the time of writing, you read the spelling like K-I-T-E, kite, F-L-Y-I-N-G, kite flying. This is an outdoor game. Then seesaw. What is the spelling? You read the spelling, then write down the spelling. S-E-E-S-A-W, seesaw. Seesaw is also an outdoor game. So you write all the 6 games on your EVS notebook. Okay, now let us revise all the names and identify the game with their pictures. Okay, so it's your revision time. You revise all the names and their pictures also. So now your lecture is over. Now bye bye and have a nice day. Do practice for this. Bye and take care.